All right, so we got to the end of a row here, installing the Cali Bamboo Vinyl Pro with mute step. This is aged hickory is the flooring. So we got to the end of a row. We're about to make a cut, so I'll show you how to do that. You want a 1/4 inch gap, as this is a floating floor. So you want a 1/4 inch gap here on the edge. And so this one's already at a 1/4 inch. We've got the pull bar in there, so we know it's pretty good there. So I'm just gonna measure. So we're at about 25.5. So we're gonna have our baseboards that are covering. You just wanna make sure you're at least at a 1/4 inch away from wherever you're going, whether it's a wall or an island, wherever you're at. So we take our board here, and then this we've got here is just, we got it from Amazon. It's actually been really nice. You can either use a chop saw, miter saw, you can do the score and cut with a razor blade. But this is the best tool we've used so far. It's about $100 on Amazon. The one we have is the Marshalltown. It's got a blade here, and you just put the plank underneath, and then you'll just squeeze this down. Pressure will cut it exactly where you want it to. So we got our measurement there, which was 25.5 inches. You always want to double and triple check which side you're cutting. So we're putting actually this side in. So we need to measure this side away from the blade. And then we're going to measure 25.5 inches from here. So 25.5 inches. What I found has been pretty easy is just find something. You can use your scrap and just put it right where you need to cut, 25.5. And then you just slide that down. You'll see the blade there. You'll know exactly where you're coming down. And then just go ahead and see how easy that is. You hardly have to put any pressure. And you've got a nice clean cut. Goes all the way through.
You can go ahead and make some easy cuts to move around different objects in the house, but overall, it's great and we highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Big Auto Repairs.